Hello everyone, I'm Charles Geoffrey Bautista, a medical laboratory science from World City College. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate the proper steps for hand hygiene and the correct way for don and doff personal protective equipment.
Proper hand hygiene is the first step in infection control. Let's start with the correct way to wash your hands. First, turn on the faucet and wet your hands with clean running water. Second, apply soap and rub your palms together to create a good lather, at least 5 seconds. Next, interlace your fingers and scrub each hand separately, at least 5 seconds each. Then, use your opposite palm to scrub the back of your both hands, at least 5 seconds each. After that, clean your thumbs by rubbing them with the opposite hand, at least 5 seconds each. Then, rub your fingertips against your palms to clean under your nails, at least 5 seconds each again. Now, rinse your hands thoroughly under clean running water. Then turn off the faucet using your elbow to avoid contaminating your clean hands. Lastly, dry your hands with a clean towel or air dryer.
Now, let's put on PPE correctly to ensure full protection. First, lab gown.
In putting your lab gown, as much as possible, try to slip your arms into the sleeves to avoid contamination. Then, button it up securely from top to bottom. Now, in putting mask, first identify the top of the mask. In determining which should be in the top, just fill the flexible band or adjustable nose clip. This part should be at the top, resting on your nose. The flip that pointing downward should be facing outside, and the flip that pointing upward should be facing inside. This soft part is facing inside toward your face. Now, hold the elastic cords and avoid touching the mask itself. Carefully, place them over your ears. Now, let's adjust the nose clip. Press the nose clip gently against your nose bridge and shape it down to your cheeks to ensure a snug fit. Then, secure the bottom of the mask. Hold the lower part of the mask and pull it down under your chin to fully cover your mouth. Ensure proper coverage. Your nose and mouth should be completely covered. Remember, never touch the front of the mask once it's on. Now, the gloves. When putting on gloves, avoid touching the gloves themselves as much as possible. Only handle them by the edge to prevent contamination. Carefully slide your hand in, making sure it fits snugly on your fingers. And pull the gloves over the cuffs of your lab gown to minimize exposure and create secure barrier. Then, repeat for the second gloves. Now, we are fully secured. Now, let's remove PPE properly. Remove the gloves first. Pinch the outside of the glove near the wrist and peel it off, turning it inside out. Hold it in your glove hand. Then slide your ungloved fingers under the wrist of the second glove and peel it off. Make sure that you trap the first glove inside that other glove. Make sure to dispose it properly. Now, unbutton from top to bottom of the lab gown. As much as possible, hold the inside part only. As I said, as much as possible, hold only the inside of the lab gown. Then slide it off your arms and turn it inside out as you remove it. Then place it in a designated laundry bin. In removing mask, avoid touching the front of the mask because it is contaminated. Remove the mask by touching only the ear loops or strings. And dispose of it immediately. Now, perform hand hygiene again immediately after removing PPE. Or use hand sanitizer if soap and water is unavailable.
Proper hygiene and correct way of doffing and donning PPE is essential for protecting yourself and protecting others. It is important to follow these steps to ensure your safety. Thanks for watching.